Hello, my name is Byron Hewitt. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Brava Diagnostics. Brava fills a clinical need for point-of-care high-sensitivity troponin. Time is muscle and money when it comes to chest pain. We need better rule-out tests so that we can send patients home earlier that have not had a heart attack. And optimizing diagnosis may improve outcomes, improve the patient experience, and potentially save the U.S. healthcare system $7 billion annually. The care team is interested in speed, simplicity, sensitivity, and precision. The core laboratory of the hospital typically can only deliver sensitivity and precision. Brava believes it will deliver what the care team needs. High quality, that's quick, simple to use, highly sensitive, and very precise. Guidelines from the European Society of Cardiology and American College of Cardiology have changed to define the cutoff for myocardial infarction to be where the troponin level is at the 99th percentile of the normal or reference range of healthy subjects, with a coefficient of variation of only 10%. The current tests in the central lab are high quality, but the turnaround time on the test is not as quick as the physicians would like. Point-of-care tests are fast, but do not meet the new guidelines. So there is a need in the market for an improved assay that can shorten that turnaround time with that high level of quality like the central laboratory delivers. This next slide shows you how Brava technology enables central laboratory performance at the point of care. The central laboratory, you can see, can deliver high sensitivity and excellent precision, but they can't meet the turnaround time, the whole blood need, the multiplexing need, or the cost-effective need. Brava checks all those boxes, and the ISTAT, Triage, and H232 do not meet those guidelines. Therefore, they can't meet the needs of the clinicians at the point of care. Tell you a little bit about the management team. I'm a longtime veteran of the diagnostics industry. Worked at Abbott Laboratories Diagnostics Division early in my career. Subsequent to that, I ran U.S. commercial operations at Chiron Diagnostics. We were acquired by Bayer, where I did the integration on the commercial side in the U.S. between those two diagnostic companies, and then later ran the laboratory testing segment at Bayer before I ran North America for QIAGEN, and then also later became the CEO at Immunicon, where we were working on circulating tumor cells, chairman and CEO at Biobehavioral Diagnostics, doing an objective test for ADHD, and then later the CEO at SomaLogic, which is a company that measures lots of proteins all at once. But long history in the diagnostics industry, particularly when it comes to measuring proteins. Dave O'Cronley, PhD in chemistry from Columbia University in New York. Dave and I actually worked together at Bayer Diagnostics, where he ran R&D, and then later he ran the molecular diagnostics business at Siemens. He became the CEO at Quanterix, where he personally oversaw the development of the Simoa platform for Quanterix, who is now public. Exosome Diagnostics, where he's Chief Operating Officer. They have subsequently been acquired by Biotechne for $575 million last year. In his last company, he was president of Opco Diagnostics, where he developed the first fingerstick whole blood PSA assay for the doctor's office, which received a PMA approval from the FDA earlier this year. So a really stellar background in product development with lots of accomplishments over the course of his career. Our third co-founder is Carrie Mulheron. Carrie has an undergraduate degree in molecular biology from Princeton. She later did an MBA. She's been involved with the point-of-care testing market off and on throughout her career, knows the cardiac marker space very well, and has worked with me in several previous companies. That summarizes an overview of Brava. Hope you found it to be interesting. Thanks so much.